In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to Photoshop a logo on a shirt. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, you can just open up Photoshop and get a picture of a photo or of a shirt in here right there, as you can see. So we now have this t-shirt. Now all you have to do then is just add a PNG logo. And as you can see, we have now this logo. We can resize it by holding Alt on your keyboard and then resizing it just like that. If you don't do that, you can see that it might it just misforms or something like that. So now you can add it onto the t-shirt, and as you can see right there, we have now done that. So yeah, that is basically it. This is super easy and quick. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.